trying to be Boomer tracking him. Oh my gosh. Boomer is like the hunting dog, and she's gonna fall in.
Cool.
Look at her. Boomer's a tracking dog, and he doesn't even care. Look.
It's a bird. She smells birds all the time. Boomer's like, what the actual?
Look at her. Oh my gosh.
That bird's like, fuck you, you're not jumping.
I don't even see the bird anymore.
I do. So does Lilah.
Videoing this. She has a pretty good vertical leap. Oh my gosh. Boomer's so clueless. He's like, I don't know where it is. So.
What does she think she's gonna do? Up there and get it?
Look at her jump. Boomer is like, what the actual? Look at that jump. I think I missed it. I moved my camera. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so... If they hurt my bird, I'm gonna be pissed.
It's just a little sparrow.
Does that mean it doesn't matter?
Yeah, they're a dime a dozen. She loves it.
I could watch this shit all day. Boomer is still so clueless. If they work together, they could actually probably get it. Oh, no. Now Boomer's like, what? This is a true sign that dogs don't really talk. She's like, leave me the frick alone. I'm trying to get this bird.
He wants to play, and she's like, would you stop?
I'm having fun with this bird. Is the bird still there? I'm waiting to see if the bird flies, like what she's gonna do. Or they, I missed them. I could video a lot better if we would have gotten that door without the panes. She's like, leave me the heck alone. I'm trying to see this bird. Ah, she's gonna try to pony on him. She's like, you fool, look up there, there's a bird. He's like, her little prance is about the stinking cutest. Oh my gosh. I guess she doesn't see birds. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh. I need to go save the bird. It's like not scared of her though, you know?
Yeah, it is a little.
I hope I got all that moving.
Now it's on that little house there. She can jump up there. Now Boomer sees it. She's gonna go up, she's gonna eat that bird.
Do not get that bird. I will cut you. Lilah? Lilah. Boomer. Boomer. Lilah. Do not eat that bird. Delilah. Delilah. Lilah. Lilah. No, move. No.
Call him.
Here, come on. Come on. Come on.